To redeem rewards and cashback on your National Bank credit card, start by understanding the rewards program associated with your card. Review your card agreement or visit the National Bank website to learn about the rewards structure, including the types of purchases that earn rewards, the rewards rate, and any spending limits or restrictions. Next, check your rewards balance by logging into your online banking account or through the National Bank mobile app. You can also contact the National Bank customer service number on the back of your card for assistance. Make a note of your current rewards balance and the redemption options available to you. Redemption options may include cashback, travel bookings, gift cards, or merchandise. Choose the option that best suits your needs and follow the instructions provided. For cashback redemptions, you may be able to apply the rewards directly to your credit card statement or transfer them to your bank account. To redeem your rewards online, log into your account and navigate to the rewards section. Select the redemption option you prefer and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. You may need to provide additional information, such as your address or phone number, to fulfill your redemption request. Best practices for redeeming rewards and cashback include redeeming your rewards regularly to avoid expiration, taking advantage of bonus rewards categories or promotions, and using your rewards to offset purchases or pay down your credit card balance. By following these steps and understanding the terms of your rewards program, you can maximize the value of your National Bank credit card rewards and cashback.